Alan Knuckman of Agora Financial joins us now for the weekly option alert. But first, we'd love to get your trader take on the market action, Alan.
Momentum. Now, the momentum in December was obviously the downside, but look at this boom in January. It's been nothing but straight up.
Always makes you happy. And taking a look at your trade trackers here, I have to start with what is going on with Exelon.
Not a whole lot. It's kind of stuck at this 46 level. I thought it would make another move up to 48. We've got the $44 call, expires on Friday, so let's see where we can get closer to break even on this, but not much has happened. We've been able to ride through some ups and downs. That's the idea of using options.
What about Umbrella?
Umbrella, no good there. We've got the $35 call. We're trading at 36, so it's a little bit in the money. We got to salvage what we can in the next 3 days. Let's see if the markets continue this upward move.
Ooh, Canadian Solar.
That's done well. We made new annual highs there yesterday in Canadian Solar above the $18 mark. So taking out that top should get another push here. We've got a couple of days. Let's add to the gains on that and try and maximize this move.
AMD is a trade that you put on the last time you were here.
Right, now that's a February option, so we've got more than a month of time there. AMD did rally to near 21.5 or so, so if we can take out that 22, we'll be looking to grab our 50% profit. So we're holding above that 20 support level. Let's see where the next move goes.
Your WPI trade trigger is pointing to GE. I know a lot of investors are watching this.
Yes, GE's had some tough times, so we want to see if it can bring good things to life, or light is what they say with this stock. Now, this is a $9 stock. It had traded between 7 and 8 for the longest period of time. It's rallied back up. We still have a lot more upside on this stock. The smart money sees something there. They're looking for that light to turn on once again. The near-term target in this is 12. So we've got the February $7 call. Gives us the right to be long from $7. Around $2 is what this option costs. So our break even is very, very close. It's going to act very much like the stock, and a nice little upturn in this oversold market could have GE take off once again.
And before you take off, your trading floor takeaway, starting with halfway home.
Halfway home. The markets are halfway up from the bottom. So they're about 11% off the bottom, about 11% off the top. If you look at the S&P, it's about 2,600 for the first time in a month. That's a very, very positive sign, because that's where we traded between 2,600 and 2,800 for most of 2018. We've come back inside that channel. That's very positive.
Number 2 on your list, tech turn. We've seen some nice momentum in the NASDAQ.
Right. Tech is on the upswing for sure. The NDX, the top tech 100 stocks, up 5% in 2019 alone, up 13% off that lows, which is also 13% off the all-time highs. So we've made a nice, healthy turnaround there in that sector, and we're only down 1% after all of this, down 1% in the last 52 weeks.
And finally, banking it bounce.
Big money. Big money banks. Citigroup made $4 billion. JP Morgan made $7 billion. Wells Fargo made $6 billion. That's just quarterly profit. That's kicking off the earnings season. And I think we got a lot of good news ahead of us that can push this markets to the upside once again.
Thanks for being here, Alan.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.